Alright guys, so I just want to show you some of the stuff that we use for Adeline's hair that's been helping significantly, trying to get knots out, getting out of the shower, wet hair, things like that. And if you do have any questions, just put it in the comments below and I will try and answer as soon as possible. So first, I want to start out with this. If you don't have one of these, you need to get one of these. These are wet brushes. This one's pretty cool. It splits in two, and the back side of it is actually a mirror, and it is magnetic. So definitely something I use when we're getting out of the shower to help get those detangles done, get everything kind of removed. And this one here is what I use when I'm blow drying after I've gotten all the tangles out. It's got little vents in there. Makes it super easy to actually be able to go through and get her hair a little drier. This one here is the big boy. This one is just to kind of smooth things out, start a style there. Alright guys, as you can see, Adeline's hair is still dry. We didn't take a shower today. We're not going to do that today. We're going to do it tomorrow. So for today's purposes, I will just wet it down nice and smooth with just a little spray, a little spritz, a little spritz. With the doll's hair? Alright. Get all of this over here. Just nice and smooth. We gotta get your necklace out of the way, don't we? Alright, now that her hair is a little bit wet, we're gonna use a little bit of the detangler. Keep in mind guys, this little bit goes a long way. And it does smell good because it is a conditioner. So that'll help keep the hair nice and smooth. You want some on the doll? Squirt, squirt. And don't mind the mess. Alright guys, so this is where I like to use this comb. Obviously after this point we've already done all the blow drying, everything that we need to get done. So what we're going to focus on...
the princess!
The princess, that's right. So this little guy right here is what I like to use the comb for. You'll get a nice, smooth, even part, even though I am not very good at this still quite yet. But I like to kind of smooth it out, separate it, part it. Alright guys, so this is where I like to kind of separate her bangs, because she doesn't have super long hair, but it's not short enough to do much else with. So, I'll take this little section here, and I'm actually going to tie it off, again, with my handy dandy little rubber piece. That way, we can keep that separate. So just a simple little tie off, doesn't need to be tight or anything. And then what I like to do, because again it's not the longest hair, stay right there. Let's take our big boy brush and just slowly, cleanly separate these guys right here to create a ponytail. Very last piece that ties in is the reason I leave this here. So you can grab this and actually brush this in so it kind of almost blends. It's not an exact perfect blend, but turn this way a little bit. No, turn the other way. Look over there. There we go. take your hair tie. Pull it through just a little tiny bit, and it leaves a nice little bun right there, keeps everything nice and tight. And then at the end of this, you have a nice princess hair is what we call it.